is Natalie eating freeze-dried food dry. I'm Taryn, this is Logan, and this is Max. Our life rarely goes as planned, and this story is no different. But we are determined to rebuild our beautiful steel boat, even stronger than she was before. And we're bringing you along with us. So today, the thing that we're doing is going for a hike in Tofino. So we're going to drive across the island from the east coast to the west coast, and then we're going to hike down from Radar Hill parking lot down to a really cool beach. So come along with us. Years ago, Logan and I had done this hike in January. It was muddy and slow, and we had run out of daylight before we had really had a chance to explore the beautiful beaches and forests that stretched along the coast. Natalie had also done this hike during a muddy, short day and was eager to try it again. It isn't a long hike by any means, but it isn't an easy one either. Yet it seemed like the perfect West Coast day trip to do with a dry and warm autumn. So we set out to explore the area even further than we had before, in hopes that we could find some new and awesome beaches. We're about halfway. We're just taking a break to use the bathroom. This is actually like the prettiest rest stop ever, so we'll take you guys down to the river real quick so you can see it. Definitely smells like rotting salmon. But it's kind of good because there's lots of rivers right now that are so low that the salmon can't run up them, so that's a bit of a good sign. But the river is super low. How was it over there? Is it nice over there?
Yeah, very nice.
Good.
The water's super calm over there.
Yeah, and there's Logan. Hi Logan.
Did you guys go down this trail?
We came down, yeah.
Oh, there's one over here too.
Oh.
Cool.
Did you see the big dead salmon?
No.
Oh, there's one swimming.
Oh really?
You see it?
No.
Way over at the far side there.
Oh yeah.
Oh
You
yeah.
see it finning.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a whole bunch. They're digging.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That's
They're
awesome.
actually spawning.
Oh yeah. Whoa, that's so cool. We're not going to get any closer than this because we don't want to disturb them while they're in the pond. And also Max likes to go in the water, as you know, and we definitely don't want him near the fish while they're trying to spawn. So that's the closest we're going to get for video for you. So sorry about that. Sorry, Max. Good. Yeah, not a very big eagle. In case you haven't been on this highway for a while, construction is still happening, so we're sitting and waiting for our line to move. It's been in the same spot for like 4 years that we stop and wait for traffic to be let through. I think last time I was here was actually with Natalie like 3 or 4 years ago. We made it to Tofino! All right, we stopped at a cafe, got some snacks, and now we're ready to go. So we're actually gonna go for a hike finally. It's like 11:30. We left at 7:30. So let's go for a hike. So we set out to explore the area even further than we had before, in hopes that we could reach those beaches that we had wanted to last time we were out here. Well, we found some mud. We weren't sure if we'd have any mud on this trail, but we found some, so that's a good sign. It's not completely dry in here. Show me your boots. Oh, look at those boots. What a happy boy.
Who's the cleanest dog?
Who's a dirty dog with muddy boots? Last time we were here, this spot right here was a full running creek, and we had to walk up here and across that log to get across. However, Logan just walked like right there. His breath. So good. From the bottom. That, my friends, is a wolf poo. Of a dead animal right here.
Where?
Right in the tree. Somebody put it in the tree. We made it! Yay! Whoa!
I am doing.
We made it! It's so beautiful. So nice out today. Last time we were here, definitely rained on us and was a lot cloudier, so it's cool to see the sunshine today. Is absolutely insane. Can you see those waves breaking behind me? Yep. So yesterday it was really windy, but like slightly cloudy sky. Pretty sure this is leftover from yesterday because there's like no wind right now. A wave. We knew that there were more beaches on the other side of the outcropping of rocks, so we decided to keep going. So there's quite a few beaches along this beach, and we're going to try to climb to another beach. We're not sure exactly how we're going to get there. We have to climb over some rocks, potentially through some logs, but that's our plan. So Logan's gonna go scout it. Let us know if it's worth the climb or not. Like camp in that spot over there. Living. What do you think? Is that a good way to go?
Not for Max. Hard for the dog to get through there.
Just,
And he doesn't like the rocks and he's already tired.
yeah, fair
So,
enough.
like if we wanted to do that, the beach is like right there. There's a big raven just like cruising along it.
Too bad we can't just walk around the rock. So we decided to take the way that we had taken last time. It was a bit longer of a walk, but it didn't involve as many sharp rocks, and that was going to be a lot better for Max's feet.
So Taryn lost her boots in the rocks, like way back there, so she had to go back and get him. And there she's coming. Just a regular day.
Yeah. I found my boots. Nice, Max.
Good job.
After I left them on the rock we were sitting on over there, so.
Yay!
Good thing I figured that out before we were like on the other side needing to put boots on.
Good job, Taryn.
I'm really good at remembering stuff, it's fine. Okay. So now we have to cross this creek to get over there, to get up and over there. Pretty. It's just, are my pants up high enough is the question. I guess they're already wet, doesn't really matter. Oh yeah, they're getting wet. But the water here, this is like brackish water. So fairly fresh, so at least that's better on the pants. There. Is your dad over there? Where is he? Do you see him? Is he over there? Max doesn't know. Oh, there he is, emerging from the bushes. What a guy. Woo. Found another beach. But we kept going, determined to find another. We found quite a few footprints from small animals on this trip, but none of the wolf tracks that we had found last time we were on this beach.
A herd of mice?
We found a nice place in the shade to make our lunches as well.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a long time to boil that.
It says 1 cup or 8 ounces.
You just have to look at the mark.
There's no marks on this
each
one.
one's different.
Oh, right.
This is Natalie eating freeze-dried food dry.
I'm very hungry.
You have another granola bar. This is your better option.
It's not that bad. It's like chips almost.
All right.
Okay.
I just fill it to the top, and then if it's not enough, add water later. More. Like fill it to the top of the food. I mean, not the top of the bag.
Yeah, I'm measuring.
Oh, well, aren't you grown up?
I'm so close. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Okay, and close it. 10.
That long? I should have just eaten all of it dry.
Oh yeah, do you guys have a timer?
No.
How long is it supposed to be?
10.
We'll just guess it. We don't need a timer.
So these two have freeze-dried meals, but I don't like the taste of them, so I made myself sandwiches. Because I try to eat freeze-dried meals as little as possible, pretty much only on bike packing and hiking trips, and this one is not a long enough hike to need to eat freeze-dried meals, so you can't make me.
You've probably never tried eating them raw.
No, nor will I, Natalie, because I know I won't like it.
Yeah, you're picky that way.
I am. Come on, on. After eating, we decided to continue on and see if we could find some more beaches. We took a look on Google Maps and knew that there was at least one other beach a little ways down, so we decided to brave the rocks and try to reach it before the sun started to set. Can you break it?
I think it's solid.
Let's see if it's a geode. No.
That didn't work.
Not at all.
It sounds hollow.
It just will not break. Holy crap. Oh, down. Well, that was a solid attempt. Yeah, no geode for us today.
Well, that's a little freaky, isn't it?
There's nice little footholds.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. Max is like, come on, why are you taking so long?
Taking forever.
Hi, buddy. How awkward can one look while hiking?
Not that bad.
There was just 2 sea otters out there, but now they've disappeared. Right there.
The otters?
See them?
Met Crete Services Limited Divik 2022 GU. Divik is a mine.
Oh, really? That's not cool. And then there's another one over there.
The Northwest Territory.
Huh. These, my friends, are otter prints. Look how cute they are! But we didn't have much time to spend exploring here because the sun was quickly setting in front of us. We were hoping this was a trail because of the buoys, those guys, but it's not. So what are we doing now?
I think we're gonna head back. Doesn't look like there's a trail there, so we have to make it back before it's dark.
We'll go back to the original trail.
Yeah, I guess.
We barely made it back before the sun went down. Thanks so much for watching, and an extra big shout out to Natalie for helping me to film this video.
Looks like the emoji.
Yeah, totally.
Does he have a rock?
He probably does have a rock. Or a sea urchin. Pretty cute. See you next week.